Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your address or your email address on Etoro. To do so, first of all, log into your Etoro account that you want to change your email address on. After that, you can see that you'll be on the home page. If it is not opening up like this on your screen and it is in this kind of small option, simply click on this arrow button. After that, scroll down until you see the settings. Click on to settings and you can see that there is an account option. Now if you click on accounts, now you can see there is an option to change your email. Now simply click on change and you'll be able to change your email account. Now enter the new email address and click on done, and after that you can easily change your email address on Etoro. And that's how you can change your email address on Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.